Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit, and to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you all the items that you need to put on to create this outfit. Okay, I'm going to click on this menu, and these are the items that you need to put on. Okay, start from the hairstyle guys. You can choose this hairstyle, this one, and then you're going to color it purple and combine it with this one, make it purple. And wait, I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to put on this hairstyle as well, this one. Okay, and then you're going to make them all purple. Okay, and then you're going to put on this earring. Just leave it like that. Make it the original color. And this microphone, and then this belt. And for the belt, you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then you can put on this top, and you're going to make it wait, for the top you're going to make it white. And then you're going to put on this necklace, this baddie necklace. You're going to make it white and gold. Okay, and then you can put on this skirt. You're going to make it white for the skirt. And then you're going to put on this chains. This is from the VIP room. For this one, you're going to make it only chains. And for the chains, you're going to make it this gold color. Okay, and you're going to put on this skirt as well, combine it with the first one. You're going to make it white, and then I'm going to show you this one. So this is from the VIP room guys, and for this item, just leave it as the original color. Okay, but you can make it black for the second selection. Alright, and then you're going to put on this jacket from the masculine items, and you're going to make it black and gold. Alright, and the last one, not the last one, sorry, you can put on this boots, and you're going to make it black and white. Oops, sorry, just make it white, all white. And okay, this is for the last one. You're going to put on this short jeans. You're going to make it white, and then you're going to make it matte. Okay, and this is for the result after you put on all the items. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.